In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram Live not showing on your account. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your connection if needed. Also, you can toggle on for the option airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, check for app updates. For that, launch your App Store or the Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these steps, you might get live feature back. Next thing you want to do is open your Instagram app, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars. Now scroll all the way down, click on the option logout. Wait for a few minutes and log in back to refresh your account. If the issue still is not fixed, go to account status and check if there are any restrictions, as Instagram Live may be unavailable due to temporary server issues or policy violations. If nothing works, wait a few hours and try again or check the Instagram Help Center. These steps usually bring back Instagram Live quickly. So give them a try, and if this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.